Top drinks to repair nerves and prevent nerve damage. Are you struggling with tingling, numbness, or nerve pain? Do your hands or feet feel weak, or do you sometimes experience burning sensations? Nerve damage can be scary, but the good news? Your nerves can heal, and what you drink plays a big role in that. In today's video, we're sharing the top drinks that can help repair your nerves and protect them from further damage. Some of these might surprise you. Stay till the end because I'll share a powerful nerve healing recipe that you can make at home. Let's get started. 1. Warm turmeric milk. Let's start with something warm and comforting, turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound that reduces inflammation and protects nerve cells from damage. Warm milk also contains B12, which is essential for nerve regeneration. Many people with nerve issues are low in B12 without even knowing it. How to make it? Warm a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well and drink before bed. This simple drink can soothe nerve pain, reduce inflammation, and help your nerves heal overnight. 2. Fresh green smoothie. Next up, something fresh and powerful for your nerves, a green smoothie. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and celery are packed with magnesium, B vitamins, and antioxidants, all essential for nerve repair and function. Super Nerve Healing Smoothie. Recipe: 1 cup spinach or kale, 1/2 banana for natural sweetness, 1/2 cup coconut water, great for hydration, 1/2 green apple, loaded with antioxidants. Blend and enjoy. This smoothie is like a power boost for your nerves, reducing damage and improving nerve signals. 3. Chamomile tea. Did you know that stress and anxiety can make nerve damage worse? That's where chamomile tea comes in. Chamomile contains natural calming compounds that relax the nervous system and improve nerve healing. If you're dealing with nerve pain, numbness, or tingling, drinking a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed can help calm your nerves and promote healing while you sleep. How to make it? Steep 1 chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 minutes. Add honey for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Drink before bed for a calming effect. A simple habit that can make a huge difference. 4. Beetroot juice. Ever feel like your hands or feet are cold, numb, or weak? That could be due to poor circulation, which affects nerve health. Beetroot juice is a natural circulation booster. It improves blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves. How to make it? Blend 1 beetroot with water or orange juice, strain if needed, and drink fresh. Beetroot juice can speed up nerve healing and prevent further damage. Plus, it tastes amazing. 5. Ginger tea. Did you know that ginger can actually help regenerate nerves? Ginger reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, which are major causes of nerve damage. Simple ginger tea recipe. Slice fresh ginger and steep in hot water for 10 minutes. Add lemon and honey for extra healing power. Drinking ginger tea daily can reduce pain, improve nerve function, and help nerves heal naturally. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is one of the most powerful nerve-healing drinks out there. It's loaded with collagen, amino acids, and minerals that repair damaged nerves and reduce nerve pain. How to use it? Drink 1 cup daily for the best results. Add turmeric and black pepper for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. A simple, comforting way to heal your nerves from the inside out. 7. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are like superfoods for your nerves. They're packed with antioxidants that protect nerves from damage. Studies show that blueberries can actually improve nerve function and speed up nerve repair. Quick recipe. Blend 1 cup of blueberries with water or coconut water. Add a little honey for sweetness. Drinking blueberry juice regularly can help fight nerve damage and keep your nervous system strong. So there you have it. 7 powerful drinks that can help repair your nerves and prevent further damage. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Your nerves will thank you. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care of your nerves.